Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about what are the top 5 major advantages of buying this MI11X device. As you can see, friends, so very soon MI11X it's going to launch in India for about price of 29,999. As you can clearly see, friends. So for this price, there are a couple of advantages and a lot of advantages, especially with this MI11X phone. And in this video, I'll try to speak about all the things about this MI11X device and what are the things to know as well. So I did gather a couple of reasons why you should pick this MI11X device for this kind of budget range. So just in case if you're watching this channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, friends, in the upcoming days. So right now I'm using this Redmi K40. So Redmi K40 and MI11X both are having the same kind of specifications and everything is same. So I'm using this Redmi K40 for the past 1 month. So this is a review which is coming after using the phone for about 1 month of usage. So definitely, friends, all my thoughts I'll try to describe in this entire video. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the details about this smartphone. So first, let's get started with the first advantage with this phone is that processor is the main advantage, friends, for this mobile. So trust me, the Snapdragon 870 chipset is very much powerful than the actual Snapdragon 865 and the 855 plus, but it slightly comes close to Snapdragon 888 processor, friends. So for this kind of price range, for 30,000, so definitely you are getting very good feature packed chipset in this phone. So not only that, the Antutu benchmark score, if you are cared about that, the phone scores about 7 lakhs of Antutu benchmark score results, so which has been scored in this mobile phone. So if you're using the latest Antutu benchmark version, so it scored close to 7 lakhs, as you can see, friends. So right now 6,86,000. So if you do the multiple times testing, couple of times, you'll be getting close to 7 lakh. So in the performance wise, it's the best performance wise for this kind of budget range. So I'm talking about this exactly 30,000. This is the best phone you got. The money can buy you, friends. Seriously, this is what I love about this phone. So not only that, you do have the LPDDR5 RAM type. So usually we did see LPDDR4 RAM type in the Realme X7 Pro for the same price it's offering. So you're getting LPDDR5. So apart from that, you're getting UFS 3.1 storage speeds, as you can see, friends. That is another biggest advantage. So definitely, friends, if you are planning to buy the phone and if you want to use for the next couple of years, I would highly recommend you to buy this kind of performance oriented mobile phone. So with this combination of the processor and all those things, you are getting additional with the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. That is another future packed which you need to take care. So Wi-Fi 6 is also there, and even the 5G. So you are getting 5G and you are getting Wi-Fi 6. So there's a lot of future packed options which is available, friends, in this MI11X device. So performance and latest RAM type, UFS 3.1 and Wi-Fi 6 and the 5G connection, everything you are getting for this 30,000. So it's really amazing, friends, in this phone. So not only that, even it is combined with the display. So display is another biggest advantage for this phone. The reason why I'm saying display, because so you might think 120Hz is pretty normal, 360Hz is also okay, but the thing comes with the AMOLED panel. So Samsung's E4 AMOLED technology, which is another biggest advantage for this mobile phone, so which has 1300 nits of maximum peak brightness, so which will give you really very good colors while watching the videos as well. So let me try to demonstrate you for a couple of videos, friends, as you can see. So these are the videos which you're watching right now, which looks really amazing. Look at this saturation and look at the contrast, which is really good. Not only that, in this video style mode, you do get plenty of software customization options where you can select from. So in terms of the hardware wise and in terms of the software wise, it's really good in this display. So display is a good, and you're getting very good brightness, and processor wise it's perfect. And next thing, it comes to the liquid cooling technology, as you can see. So I need to test this kind of liquid cooling technology by running the game for a couple of hours. I'll try to do that video very soon, friends. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those interesting topics if you are interested. So definitely I'll try to test all these things. And that's it, friends. These are the few advantages of buying this mobile phone. So regarding camera and the battery, I did not speak much because you are getting the basic 4500 mAh of 20 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging. So there is nothing much specialty going on. And in terms of the camera as well, it's pretty normal decent camera, 48 megapixel camera. So even in the camera as well, camera segment, I did not notice major upgrades. So only things what are the things I noticed major upgrade is that performance wise I did notice, and the display wise I did notice. So performance and the display are the major advantages for this phone. So apart from that, you do get dual speakers and very good haptic feedback. I'll try to do this kind of videos in another video, friends. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those individual part which I will be concentrating on the loudspeaker, and another video on the haptic feedback, side fingerprint scan, and all those things. So these are the few advantages of buying this Mi11X device right now for this kind of price. I think there's even an offer going on. Maybe if you use the HDFC or ICICI Bank credit card, you can get 3000 rupee discount. I'm not sure about that, but there's a couple of offers going on this Mi11X as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more interesting videos similarly like these. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.